Personal brand, business brand. Which one is better? In today's video, I'm going to show you which one is essential if you're an entrepreneur looking to take your business on YouTube. Hey Big Shots, my name is Daniel Ford and I help motivated entrepreneurs master the strategies of YouTube for their business so they can get fresh leads and profits. So if you're tired and frustrated of posting videos online that get you no results, then subscribe and hit that bell so you can stay notified every time I post a new video. It can be a big decision trying to decide whether a personal brand or a business brand is right for you when you're starting your YouTube channel for your business. Let's talk about a personal brand. What is a personal brand? A personal brand is a branding your business all around you, your name, and your persona. Gary Vaynerchuk, Tony Robbins, and Pat Flynn are super good examples of businesses that are actually branded around a specific name. When you first start your channel, you're gonna wanna niche down. But when you get a big enough following and you think that you're gonna wanna talk about different subjects potentially in the future, then it might be a good idea to go with a personal brand. A personal brand will give you that needed flexibility for the future of your channel. Another benefit is actually having the ability to be hired for high speaking gigs in the future. Some possible downsides to having a personal brand is you are the face of your business. You're going to have to be on camera 95% of the time, so you're really gonna have to enjoy that. No one can really replace your name. Like this video down below if a personal brand sounds more interesting to you. Let's talk about a business brand though. A business brand is your YouTube channel named after your business. This can be helpful if you don't wanna be the face of your business. For example, if you don't like being on camera, then you can have other people do that for you. This can also be helpful if you're looking to sell your YouTube channel in the future. Now, the downside to a business brand is once you name your business, it's typically focused around a specific niche. For example, if I name my channel Instagram Power, then I don't think I can change the type of topics I'm going to talk about in the future, seeing as how my channel is specifically focused on Instagram. So choosing the way you brand yourself is a big decision, and I highly recommend that you put some serious thought into how you want to brand your business. So Big Shots, comment down below whether a personal brand or a business brand sounds more interesting to you. And tell me why, I'm really curious. Also, this video is in a series of videos on optimizing your YouTube channel. So be sure to click the playlist in the description down below so you can learn how to properly optimize your YouTube channel. And for more tips on mastering the strategies of YouTube, be sure to subscribe down below so you can be notified every time I release a new video. See you next time, Big Shots.